Assalamu alaikum students. I'm your English teacher, Miss Razia Babardar, with the second chapter, Notes Shah Abdul Latif. Subject is English and class is your 9th class. Now student, take out your literature copies and start writing the work according to my instructions. You have to put the heading with your black cut marker. Like at the top of the page you have to write the question and answer. With that cut marker you are supposed to write it for, and with the black pointer you are writing the questions, and with blue ink pen you have to write the answers. Don't use ball pen for the answers. Okay, now come to the topic. Question number 1, who was Shah Abdul Latif? Question mark. When and where was he born? Answer is Shah Abdul Latif was a great saint, poet, musician and scholar of Sindh. Full stop. He was born in 1102 Hijra in a small village called Hala Haveli near Hyderabad. Full stop. Question number 2. Name some of saints whose shrine are found in our country. Answer. In Lahore are the shrine of Data Ganj Baksh and Mian Mir Sahib. In Pakpatan is the shrine of Baba Farid. In Multan is the shrine of Ghaus Bahaul Haq. Full stop. In Sindh are the tomb of two great saints, Shah Abdul Latif and Kalandar Lal Shahbaz. Question number 3. What is Bhit? Why is Shah Abdul Latif called Bhitai? Answer. Shah Abdul Latif lived on a mound at some distance from his village. Full stop. A mound of saint is called Bhit in Sindhi. So he came to be known as the Saint of Bhit, that is Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai. Question number 4. What are the important qualities of Shah Abdul Latif poetry? Answer. His poetry is simple and in the language of a common people. One great quality of Latif poetry is its moving music. When you listen to it, even if you don't understand a word of it, you will be moved by its melody. Question number 5. When did Latif Urs held? Question mark. How do the people celebrate it? The Urs of Shah Abdul Latif was held at his shrine every year on 14th of Safar. Full stop. Many thousands of people gather, listen to the saint's song sung to the tune of tamboro and offer their prayers. Question number 6. When and where did Shah Latif die? Question mark. Who had built a shrine over his grave? Answer. Shah Abdul Latif died in 1165 AD on the mound where he had lived. He was buried on the same mound A famous king of Sindh, Ghulam Shah Kalhoro, was the devotee of Shah Abdul Latif. He had built a shrine over his grave. What is the collection? Question number 8. What is the collection of Shah Abdul Latif poem called? Answer is his poetry is simple and musical. Full stop. It is in the language of common people. Full stop. The collection of his poetry is called Risalo of Shah Abdul Latif. The devotees of Shah Abdul Latif collected it. The collection of his poem is so valued that it has been translated into many languages. Next is write a short note on Shah Abdul Latif. Shah Abdul Latif is a great saint, poet, musician, and scholar of Sindh. He was born in 1102 Hijra in a small village called Hala Haveli. While he was only a boy, he started composing poetry. His collection of his poem is called Risalo of Shah Abdul Latif. Full stop. He loved simplicity in music and invented a simple musical instrument called it tamboro. His message is the message of love, brotherhood, and equality of men, and in pleasing God by good deeds. He died in 1165 AD. Now with the next page, write down the fill in the blanks or put the heading of objectives. Number 1. In Multan is the shrine of Ghaus Bahaul Haq is the blank. Number 2. Shah Abdul Latif was born in a small village called Hala Haveli. Hala Haveli is the blank. Number 3. He was born in 1102 Hijra. Number 4. Latif message is the message of love. Blank is love. The shrine of Shah Abdul Latif was built by Ghulam Shah Kalhoro. Ghulam Shah Kalhoro is the fill in the blanks. Number 6. Dash is Bhitsha is the underlined word. 55 km from Larkana. So put the blank Bhitsha. Number 7. The collection of Shah Abdul Latif poetry is called Dash. Risalo of Shah Abdul Latif. A mound of sand is called Bhit is the underline in this blank. Bhit in Sindhi. Number 9. Shah Abdul Latif Urs is held at his shrine every year on 14 Safar is the blank. Number 10. Shah Abdul Latif died in 1165 is the blank Hijra. Full stop. Now start with the next page, reference to contest. Islam is the religion of peace. Full stop. God sent the Prophet as a blessing to mankind. Full stop. Question number 1. Mention the name of chapter. And the answer is